Imagine this. What if the cure to a dangerous disease was found in poop? Sounds gross, right? But welcome to the science of fecal transplantation, where chemistry, microbes, and medicine collide in a life-saving way. Our gut is home to over 100 trillion bacteria, what we call the gut microbiota. These tiny chemical factories break down food, fight disease, and even influence our brain. But what happens when this balance breaks down? Like after strong antibiotics wipe out good bacteria. It opens the door for dangerous invaders like Clostridioides difficile or C. diff to take over. Diarrhea, inflammation, even death. Here's where chemistry gets wild. Doctors take stool from a healthy donor, filled with helpful microbes, and transplant it into the patient's colon. It's like reseeding a dead garden. But why does it work? Because the donor's stool contains complex chemical metabolites. Things like short-chain fatty acids, bile salts, and enzymes that reprogram the sick gut back to balance. Think of the gut like a bag of colored beads. When the wrong colors take over, it's chaos. Fecal transplant swaps them out, one microbe at a time, restoring the natural chemical balance. It's not just poop, it's precision chemistry and microbiota engineering in action. Did you know? Fecal transplants are even being studied to treat depression, obesity, and autism. That's right, the gut and brain are chemically connected. So, next time you flush, ask yourself, is your gut producing disease? Or curing it? Fecal transplantation? Gross? Maybe? Game changer? Absolutely. I'm Dr. Chem Talks, simplifying the complex for everyday minds. Follow for more.